Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to decorate a board using a decoupage napkin. First, we apply the first layer of paint. The next step is to dry it with a hairdryer. Then we paint again and dry it with a hairdryer. The next step is to separate the napkin and place it on a stationery file and smooth it out so there are no wrinkles. Then we apply this napkin to the board and smooth it using a plastic card. Then you need to apply glue and dry the surface with a hairdryer. The next step is to remove the remnants of the napkin and sand the edge of the board using sandpaper. Then I paint the top and edge of the board. The next action is to dry it with a hairdryer. After that, I paint again and create a splatter effect with paint.